My name is Céline Lecotenek. I'm Chief Data and Innovation Officer for AXA Insurance in Singapore, taking care of all the AI roadmap as well as how do we integrate innovative solutions such as InsurTech, startup, blockchain, and new technology into our current business. One thing when creating your first AI roadmap would be to first assess your process. You need to have good process implemented, then got them digitalized, and then after you can talk about data science and AI and improvement. Data science and AI in general are only improvement of existing good process. If your process are not good, then you can't really implement AI. So you need to have business process readiness, the proper infrastructure, and the people who have the right mindset in order to be able to implement AI in your company. So the best case study so far on insurance industry regarding the application of AI would be on fraud detection as well as better claim management, be able to assess remotely through image recognition and deep learning algorithm the cost of a claim and pay it and reimburse it seamlessly to the customer. Well, I would say that AI market is different in Asia. If you look at China, for example, which has an incredible ecosystem, its own ecosystem with its own digital players, Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent, and where there is no legacy. There are no legacy systems. This is also one of the reasons that China could deploy so easily and so quickly all their mobile payment solution. It's about the same with AI. Today they have like two big applications, or the whole ecosystem, digital ecosystem, do belong to two main players, Tencent and Alibaba. Therefore, only two players are gathering most of the data for the Chinese consumer, and it's much more easier for them to think about cross-selling, product recommendation, and then also profiling the customer through AI technology. I think if you look at China today, they're already the biggest in terms of AI market in the world because the population, 1.4 billion customer. Second, the fact that they do not have legacy system in place, so new technology can be implemented very quickly. Third, the adoption rate is much more easier for a population that is much more younger than the population in Europe and in US. If you take the example of the connected car, in China, an average new car buyer is 35 years old. In Europe, it's 55 years old. So you can definitely sense a different sensibility of the customer towards connectivity and new usage. I'm going to look at the blockchain part as well as the 5G, because connectivity is what will help us to gather more and more data on the IoT ecosystem and be able to create seamless value for the customer and new business model. I would say three words: innovative, inspiring, and global. People from all around the world.